So guys, finally, if you are waiting for your MIUI 12.5 enhanced third batch, finally there is a good news for you, because you have finally got the MIUI 12.5 enhanced third batch devices, and it would start from 12th November. Today is 15th November when I'm posting this video. So this list would start from 12th November, and I would read the devices for you. So Xiaomi CV, Redmi 9, Redmi Note 11 5G, Redmi Note 11 Pro, Redmi 10X 4G Pro, Redmi K30, K30 5G, Redmi K30i 5G, Mi Pad 5 Pro, Pro 5G, Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G, Redmi K40 Gaming, Redmi K20, K20 Pro, Xiaomi 9 Pro, Redmi Note 8 Pro, Mi CC9 Pro, Mi CC9, Mi 9 SE, Mi CC9, Mi 2 Custom Edition, Redmi K30 Extreme Edition. So these are the devices which would get the MIUI 12.5 enhanced third batch, okay? And Xiaomi also tells that this update starts rolling out from 12th November, okay? So all these devices would start getting update from 12th November. Hopefully some devices would get the update. Today is 15th November. So I think high-end models would get the update in these days. And all devices are expected to receive update around late December, which means that these updates, all these devices, all these devices would get updates in late December, means end of the year. Until December 31st, you need to wait for all of these devices. You have any device, no problem, because Xiaomi is telling we would give you updates until end of the December. So please wait if you have this third batch device. And if you have second batch device, hopefully you would get update in December first week. And if you want the second batch, you can search it on Google, but for third batch. So as you can see the devices, and hopefully you like the video. If you want to join Telegram, you can join. As you can see, link is in the description below. And please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. And yes, bye bye.